Testing a gas monitor with the SmartTank is easy. Here's how it works. First, turn on the SmartTank. After a brief self-check, the SmartTank is ready to go. To get started, touch the Test Profile button and select the correct test profile for your respiratory gas monitor. In this case, we are testing a Capnometer 20. Once selected, hit Load. Next, enter the asset ID or serial number of the gas monitor you are testing, and the name of the operator. Next, press Start Test. You'll be asked to connect the gas monitor sample and exhaust lines to the SmartTank, and will be provided with other helpful information specific to the gas monitor being tested. In this case, we need to use sample line number 6 with this capnometer. Once connected, press Begin to start the test. The SmartTank will start by testing the gas monitor's sampling system for flow rate control and internal leaks. This includes a sampling system challenge that simulates a restriction in the sample line, such as would be caused by moisture or sputum. This sampling system test verifies that the internal pneumatics of the gas monitor are working properly. Once complete, the SmartTank moves on to test the gas monitor's accuracy under various simulated breathing conditions, including spontaneous breath, mechanical ventilation, and high respiratory rates. It begins by simulating normal patient breathing. Here you can see the breath waveform on the capnometer. When prompted, enter the end tidal CO2 value displayed by the gas monitor, then press OK. You can also enter any of the optional data to include it in the test report. Press Done. The static pressure test then begins testing performance under elevated static pressure. Again, enter in the end tidal CO2 value using the touchscreen when prompted, followed by OK. Hit Done after entering any optional data you want recorded. The SmartTank moves on to the mechanical ventilation test, simulating the dynamic pressure pattern of ventilated patients. As with other tests, when prompted, enter in the values. The final breath simulation test evaluates performance at higher respiratory rates common to pediatric and neonatal patients. Enter the end tidal CO2 and respiratory rate values into the SmartTank and press Done. The SmartTank then moves on to verify that 3 key alarms are functioning properly. First, the SmartTank will simulate an inspired CO2 alarm condition. Wait for the gas monitor to show this alarm. Then indicate whether the alarm was active by choosing Yes or No. Next, after stabilizing the gas monitor, the apnea or no breath alarm is tested. After a short pause, indicate if the alarm is active by picking either Yes or No. Normal breathing will be simulated to clear the apnea alarm. Press Yes when clear. Finally, the SmartTank will test that the sample line occlusion or blockage alarm is functioning properly. After a short pause, indicate if the alarm is active by picking Yes or No. That's it. The respiratory gas monitor test is complete. The SmartTank will calculate the test results and generate a detailed test report, showing a summary of the overall results on the screen. Navigate between subscreens to see detailed results for each portion of the test. In this example, the capnometer showed 2 failures. First, it shows an internal leak when challenged. This type of leak, which only manifests under specific conditions, can result in incorrect gas values when the sample line is partially blocked. The other failure indicates that the gas monitor is reading CO2 inaccurately and needs to be calibrated. Possible causes for any failed tests are provided to assist with gas monitor servicing. In this case, the leak may have been caused by a defective valve. You can download your test reports using a computer now, or move on to the next gas monitor that needs testing and download all the reports at the end of the day. For most gas monitors, this full test can be completed in under 4 minutes by any technician regardless of their skill level. And while fast and easy to use, the SmartTank still delivers superior testing which simulates real-world conditions and can detect all common gas monitor failure modes, even those missed by traditional testing methods. The SmartTank is the new standard in capnometer and anesthesia gas monitor testing and certification.